to my channel. My name is Karen and today I will teach you how to make Rose Siumai. To make this beautiful and mouth-watering siumai, you will need the following ingredients. Half pound ground pork, 36 pieces of store-bought dumpling wrappers, 1 cup water with 1/8 teaspoon red liquid food coloring, 1 large egg, 3 large shiitake mushrooms, half cup diced carrots, 1/4 cup green onions, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Add all the filling ingredients and mix thoroughly in a bowl with a spoon or with your bare hands. You may adjust your filling ingredients to whatever suit your taste, or you may even use your own recipe. I like to add in the cornstarch towards the very end to give that binding and pasty consistency. Now let's make our siumai. Soak a few dumpling wrappers into your food coloring bath and let it sit for no more than 2 minutes, or they will become too soggy and sticky. Arrange 3 wrappers, slightly overlapping each other in a straight line. Add a heaping tablespoon of the filling and equally distribute along the center line of the dumpling. Fold the wrapper, pressing gently, and roll it to shape into a rose. Place dumplings in a lined bamboo steamer and repeat with the remaining dumplings. This recipe yields a dozen of Rose Siumai. Steam the dumplings for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the dumplings from the steamer and let it cool slightly. Plate the dumplings and garnish it to look like a bouquet of flowers. Serve with your favorite sauce or soy sauce. This can be served on special occasions, and you can even customize with different colors. Hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching.